mother's blender for a walk. And that is that. I did my best. Why haven't you perfected your super burps? If I want to do my triple axel midair Betsy flip, then I'm going to do my triple axel midair Betsy flip.
I planned this out really carefully, so don't mess it up. Right now, I'm trying to book an imaginary act for your imaginary TV show. An explosion might move the moon back.
Coloring, coloring, coloring.
Whee! Well, hello there, you big, giant thing. Person? Done. No need to thank me. Happy to help. If cuteness can't help with this, then I don't want any part of it. I'll put this here and put that there. La, 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 la.